and hobbies, and here's the file we're going to go into. This is the STL file you want to open up, so you go right click, open with Bambu Studio, and bring it into Bambu Studio, and then to move it around you do a right click. To enlarge it, you use your wheel on your mouse. Okay, and then that's a flat file, I call it. It's like 2D. Over here you want to have it set to Bambu, your printer, the PS1, whatever your printer is. My nozzles happens to be 4. And global you want to have it set to, and your PLA. And I only use one color in PLA. These are the quality, strength, speed, support. If it was an object that was 3D and standing up, say like a troll, you would want to add support to it. That's another type of way of doing things. You want to have it to 20 millimeter standard, and then once that's done, you go slice plate. It's sliced. You go to file. You go to export. You go to export plate sliced file. You want to name this, so you go deer, save, and it's saved.